How to use a Joker Visa card on Amazon. So, log into your Amazon account on the official website or mobile app. Browse for the items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. Proceed to checkout when you're ready to complete your purchase. Enter your shipping address and select your preferred delivery options. When prompted to choose a payment method, select Add a new payment method or Use a different payment method. Enter the details from your Joker Visa card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check the entered information for accuracy. If required, provide the billing address associated with your Joker Visa card. Review your order details one last time to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm your payment by clicking Place Your Order or similar. Wait for the payment to be processed and for your order to be confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email once your order has been successfully placed using your Joker Visa card on Amazon. That's it. Thanks for watching.